Why does your scanner show the P0355 engine code? What does it mean? P0355 is a diagnostic trouble code for ignition coil 5 primary or secondary circuit malfunction. This error code indicates a problem with the ignition coil or its wiring for cylinder number 5. This could be due to a faulty coil, a wiring issue, or a bad connection to the coil. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty ignition coil, wiring issues, PCM issues, spark plug problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured in 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Honda Civic, Nissan Altima, and Chevrolet Silverado. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.